Hey, Caleb. Hey, Caleb.
Cheese.
No, not cheese. Mommy's videoing you. Can you say thank you, Great Grandpa?
This is good grandpa.
And Barb.
Bar.
Say thank you for my new trucks.
And my two chucks.
And your Doodle Pro. Can you show them how you draw?
And my ninja.
Good job.
What's in
Good job. All right, go back to the trucks. You say, I like fire trucks.
I my favorite.
Yeah, those are one of your favorites, aren't they?
Hammer.
You gotta turn it over. See the switch? We could play with this all day long, huh? You see it? Here, give it to Mommy. Can you tell them how old you are? How old are you?
Two.
You're 2? Did you have a birthday? What did everybody sing to you? There's your fire engine.
Hammer.
Good job.
Hammer.
You want the siren too? Alright, turn it back over. That's the yellow switch. Can you look at the camera and say hi?
Hi.
Look at Mommy.
Hi.
There you go. Alright. That sounds like a fire truck, huh? Alright, can you look at them and say bye-bye? Say bye-bye, Great Grandpa.
Bye, grandpa.
Look at Mommy and say it. Caleb. We were too mesmerized by the new toys. Hey, look at Mommy and say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
No, look at me.
Bye-bye.
Say bye-bye, Great Grandpa.
Bye-bye, grandpa.
Say thank you.
Thank you.